gonna get rid of these yellow lights. We're gonna put some white ones up in that bad boy so it can look good on the white. First thing you do is go behind the fixture right here. These bad boys twist right off. Pull that all out the way. And if you look down in there, the bulb right there, what you do is just twist and pull out. Twist all the way around. There you go. Now, let me go turn the switch off. Okay, and all you're doing is pulling this little clamp out. And I'm going with these bad boys right here. I got off of eBay. Paid 25 bucks for them. Both sides. High beam and low beam. All I'm doing is the same thing in the reverse order. Just make sure when you plug it back in that this little piece go inside of that little gap. Just slide it in and push your bulb back in the hole, and have these three little things around the edge on the inside of the fixture. Have the same. Let's see if I can see inside. You can see it a little bit. We just want to line it up to that, and just one twist, and you're all done. Got it plugged in. Let's turn it on to see how it looks. See that didn't even come on. That tells me that this is backwards. So I'll switch them around. Let me put the phone down. There you go. I just turned it around. For some reason that was backwards. But yeah, there we go. Just gonna turn it back off and stick it in and twist and turn. Oh, and another thing, they have a built-in fan. See the fan on that bad boy? It keeps it cool. So yeah, let's go ahead and put those in. Okay, after a couple of cuss words, it's got up in there. Bad boy is hard to twist with this little small space you have to work with. But I got her in there. Now I'll put my cap back on. Give it a twist. Alright, there we have it. On the driver's side, it's a little different. You have this right here, you have to pull out. It's the windshield wiper thing. You just pull it out, and that just gives you a better access. And this is easy to do on this side. Push that back in, and we'll give it a test and see how they look. Oh yeah. Nice and bright. And there you have it.